Whoa!
So it is 5:30. We are out plowing. We got a storm. We got about a foot of snow so far. And it's not going to stop till about 12 o'clock tonight. So we have a long ways ahead of us. But Jenny's still on the honeymoon stage of snow plowing, so she's having a fun time. Me over here, my neck hurts, but I'm hanging in there because I got my pretty lady next to me. But life is good. Make some money. So yeah, maybe I can get her that promise ring if I make enough money. Right, babe?
You're getting what?
What? Maybe. If she's lucky, I'll give her a promise ring.
There's so much snow. So we have done 22 driveways so far, and we have like 14 or 15 driveways left to do in this subdivision alone.
So I have about 30 hours of plowing in all that I'll be doing today.
Crazy stuff.
But how much do we get paid an hour, babe? 30?
That's how much you get paid an hour.
Well, my money is your money, basically, so.
That's pretty sweet to be sitting in the car and plowing and riding with your favorite girl in the world. Me, just kidding.
Y'all.
And we get to talk and stuff, but I can't slow him down too much, so he says that he has to find his balance between Jenny time and focusing on work. So I think he's doing a good job. He's doing like each driveway in like less than 10 minutes. So that's good. Great.
Y'all.
Oh, Western plow.
Oh, Western's the best. Because my mom called me a while ago and they had 11 inches of snow and it was come down hard still. And so by now, probably a foot. I don't know how much is out here though. I know about where I live there's a foot. I'm guessing there's about 10 inches here. Don't eat yellow snow, kid.
Really good plowing Jordan's been doing. He's gonna hit me! He almost hit me! Ow!
What?
What are you doing?
Smiling.
This is a video recorder.
That is no joke, like the third time that's happened to me in my life. I keep on thinking, people's like, take pictures of me. I'm like, oh wait, that's
He is so cute. You know this is my flip camera. This is what takes videos. I mean, you're funny.
I'm sorry. And I just killed the motor.
Wow. 2 embarrassing moments in one video. What? And the snow keeps flying in the window.
I'm getting my butt all wet.
All of a sudden, I felt some snow in my boot, and I was like, there's a snake in my boot. And Jordan was like,
there's snow in your boot. No, I said, there's a snow in my boot.
well, that's a cute talk, though.
Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Don't be scared. Come here. Hey, puppy. Hey, can I give him some sandwich?
No, Jordan, I want the sandwich.
I want to give him a little treat.
Jordan, so he even gives the dogs my food.
This is my food.
Yeah, no, you already had 2 sandwiches.
Like you're really gonna eat this.
I am.
She's all mad at me now. Babe, don't be mad at me.
This is my face right now.
And you're hillbilly proud, then you know what I'm talking about. Let me hear you say, truck, yeah, I wanna get it jacked up, yeah, let's crank it on up, yeah. With a little bit of luck, I can find me a